So the body work is coming along on the GT350. The shop is doing a really good job to get everything nice and straight. The trunk line looks way better than it did before. It wasn't even lined up at all. Doors are getting lined up better. The paint and body work is getting smoothed out, and all those imperfections are getting sanded out, and they're working really hard to get the inside of the trunk to look nice and OEM here with the spot weld look to the inner trunk area here. So that's looking very nice now. It was really sloppy before from the previous repair. So that's something that was really important to my friend to get that done right. And the inside of the wheel well as well. It's very smooth now. It's hard to see. You can't really see in here, but it feels really good and smooth. It was pretty rough inside here, and that cleaned up nice. But you can just see a walk around of the car. It's got some sanding done in different places and some repairs, and everything's looking really nice and straight now. So the car should be going into paint pretty soon, and they said they'll let me know when that happens, and so I'll try to record it getting shot with the new paint job and everything. But this is all looking really nice now, and this is what the car should have had done to it originally when it was repaired the first time. And I think he said this side had half of a quarter panel put on it and the other side had the whole quarter panel put on it, or something like that. So when you start tearing it apart, you do start to see what repairs were done. But it's looking really good now. This was all stuff that needed to be redone. And if you saw the previous videos, you could see that the paint looked pretty bad in a lot of spots here where it was redone. So they did the inside of the door. This looked really good compared to what it was. And here's the back bumper. So everything's coming along nicely. The car looks really good. So I hope you enjoyed this update on the Shelby GT350, and we'll continue watching as this gets back into the shape it should be. It's a 11,000 mile car, so looking really good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more Mustang content.